2019. I'm gonna rip some largemouth. Seen a lot of movement already. I'm not gonna do much talking today. I'm just gonna fish, because fuck it. Wow, you gotta see this. Coming across a lot of movement here. 5-inch black Cinco. Here we go. Yep, got a little guy already. Not even 10 minutes in. Okay. One of his back fins kind of got me a little bit. These little dudes are so aggressive. It's funny. Really have all day to do this. Oh yeah, see that little red mark right there? That was a baby bass fin. Son of a bitch. Wait, what the fuck is that? So deeper is disconnected. I need my Bluetooth on. What else would you turn it on? There's just nothing better than this right now. Yep, there we go. Ooh, barely hooked. Hey, fish is a fish. Definitely a top water strike on that. Oh, almost had a third. Fucking jerky, yo. Oh shit. There's a little groundhog over there or something. I don't know if you can see him. Can't zoom in on this camera, but this thing is super uncomfortable to wear, but safety first. I will never promote any unsafe practices. Yup. Come on. Those ones aren't very good. Oh yeah. Yo, buddy. Oh fuck yeah, this one's a good one. Shit. Yep. Alright. Getting better. Working our way down the pond. Always remember, if there's an area in the lake where you find dinks, go to the opposite side. That was an excellent catch. Is that fish number 3? I think it was. So caught 2. Had one, lost it like right here, so I won't count that. Oh. Oh, it nibbles and I let it go too soon. Oh, fuck. You ever see me like reeling like this and I'm just kind of staring off blankly? I'm just listening for feel. Goddamn wind. Decided to migrate from the lily pad portion of the shoreline to go to the river rock portion of this lake. A lot more structure over here where the big ones like to hide. So it's going to be just as much of a pain in the ass over here with the wind. Good bass. Healthy. Thanks, little dude. Wow. You just hit yourself in the face. He wasn't in very deep water. Oh, shit. Here we go. Another one. Little guy. Little fella. Thank you. Later. See ya. Another one. Another big fish. You know, I mean, it's not When I say big fish, I mean for northern New York, this is a pretty decent sized fish, you know? 2 1/4, I don't know. Still a pretty big fish comparative to what we usually see up here, you know, so hey, decent. Thanks, dude. And that was in barely 10 inches of water. This goddamn wind, I'm dropping my pole in the fucking water because nothing's cooperating with me right now. So, I think I'm just irritated by the wind. It's only supposed to be 8 miles an hour today, but it's like fucking 17. Oh shit, yeah. Yep. Smashing them all day. Don't you do it. I got you, bud. I got you. Boom. Very nice. Very nice. Later, bud. Getting nibbles and hearing splashes, so something definitely just knocked into this, and I saw the tail come out of the water like it was trying to get it. I know you can't see any anything distinguishable, but right here is a line of lily pads that I've been trying to shoot out because there's something that is pulling really hard. Yeah, I got one. Need something that's pulling. Yeah, buddy. Barely hooked. Yeah. Nice. Not too bad. A pounder. Thanks, little buddy. Wasn't even a bite, really. It was just like going, and then pull. Oh my god, that fucking broke my line. Fuck. I really should have checked that knot a while ago. That was definitely my fault. Oh, that was stupid. Too close to the eye. Alright, little buddy? Too close to the eyeball. How's it going? Sorry, I don't trust that thing. Is it? I couldn't really tell what it was.
You're too big. You're scaring Kim, probably.
Well, good. Exhausted. 2 hours of that time trying to navigate myself through that wind. Kind of picked a bad day to go kayaking. I mean, it was great fishing wise, like catching fish, but I couldn't keep myself in one spot. I couldn't even keep myself in one direction. I was spinning around in circles while getting pushed back. But I'm glad to see that the lake is still producing. I had some pretty decent sized bass. I think I just got to find a day that has like under 6 mile an hour winds. I was trying to wait it out like a little bit longer because I know towards the evening time the wind starts to slow down, but it's still quite hefty. I figured this is a good time of the day to pack up, head out, drink a bunch of beer, and have myself a real fine day. Excited to see how the rest of the season plays out. It still is very, very early in the spring season, so I'm just going to keep getting myself out there. Rain, shine, even wind apparently. I'm going to finish loading up all this bullshit. Hope you guys have a real fine day. Peace.